Start recording. Okay. So last class we discussed some of Linux commands, right? We'll see continuation and all. And today we'll see how to create. Yesterday we stopped how to create tar file and all, right? How to create tar file and all. How it will work. So same tar file, zip file in Windows how we are creating. Same way in Linux machine if you want to create so any file if you want to make it as like a zip file and so these are the commands. So already, so what is the command? tar hyphen c cf. C means create, f means files, and that is the tar file name, tar file name. And so we can give so file from which file we want to create, or multiple files also we can give whatever you want, so files or directory. So this is the command. Okay, so this is the command. First this is Linux and so Linux, this is the tar, right? So how to create zip file, compress files and all. So magic number star files, compress gzip. Okay, create a files and all. So how to create and all, right? Now see here. So this is the as part of admin. So mostly if you want to create any creation of the archive files or apply compress whatever you want, there is two ways we can process. First we'll see simplest. We can group multiple files and directories into single archive files by using the tar command. So by using the tar command, if you want to make multiple files into single file or so multiple directories into single file, that case we can use. So these are the command tar space and so cvf. V means verbose, c means create, so files and file name, and whatever files we want to we can add it, whatever files we can add it. So these are very simple only how we are creating so Windows only same like this. And Ubuntu now, Ubuntu, right? So Ubuntu, so join Ubuntu, right? So where is that? Ubuntu. Now if you go here, now control plus plus, now check it. So ls command. Now I want to create one tar file. So these are the files. So these are the files, and so I am going to create one tar file. So dev.txt, any one file or multiple files also dev.txt. dev.txt. Now this is a file, just assume. Now what is the command? As of now I don't have any tar file here. And what is the command? And tar space hyphen hyphen help. If we give like this, so these are the arguments. V means verbose, verbosely list files processed. We can see what are the files processed and all. And C means create, and so C means create, and F means files. These are the we can check here what are those. C means directory, change directory and all, small c, right? So here we can see C means small c, create a new archive file. And so F, what is F means small f, right? Somewhere see here we can use this one example also they given tar space cf and create a archive tar dot file from the files. And vf means if you want to we can see verbosely, and x means we can x means extract, x means extract. So these are the commands, whatever you want we can use it. These are very simple only. Now see here I am going to use I am going to use tar space hyphen cf and file name, and so dev tar dot dev, whatever you want. So dev tar dev, you can give anything. So my dev dot tr space file name dev.txt file. See here, this is the syntax. So this is that syntax. So C means create files, and this is the tar file name, and from which file, what files. Now if you use this command, now ls, now check it. Now see here, my dev.tar. So this is my actual file, and inside file we can see this file. This is a one file. Suppose if you want to add multiple files, same way I am using, for example, dev1.tar. I am adding multiple files. See here, fa faculty.txt and course.txt. We can add multiple files also. Now see here, now my dev1.tar file, ls command. Now one more file is created, my dev1.tar file, my dev1.tar file. So that's it. If you want to create, so we can create, this is the syntax. This is the syntax. Whatever we want to, we can use. If you want to, we can add directory also. If you want to, we can add directory also. So if you want to, we can add so directory also. Now all files current directory, and see here, compress and decompress by using the g. Compress means if you want to, we can use ggif. So this is my tar file, right? If you want to, so uncompress means so these are the commands, compress and uncompress. And so remaining tar cf demo.txt files. Tar.txt means all txt files we are going to create one tar file. We are going to create one tar file. Now got it? So tar hyphen cvzf tar file, and then compress whatever you want. Uncompress, this is same only, whatever you want. Now I want to add all files. Now see here, now tar space hyphen cvf. V means verbose. How many files added? For example, demo.tar, and I want to all txt files. Whichever txt files available in current working directory, so that all txt files I am adding to this file, and finally I am creating one tar file. Now see here, these are the files. How many files available in tar file? These many files available in the tar file. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt here? V means verbose. We can see that list. What are the files processed? So that and all we can check it. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So these are the very simple. Star means all star files. Now we know, right? Unzip. How we are unzip means in Windows. For example, this is a zip file, right? If you want to unzip, right click, and if you go here, there is extract, right? Extract. If you use WinRAR, this is the open extract files and all extract we are using. And same way Linux, and same way Linux. If you want to Linux extract that and all, so these are the commands we need to follow. See here, now unzip, right? So uncompress. So this is the we can use anyone tar gif. This is uncompress extracted files. Create tar. Just we can use x means extract only. X means extract only. Now I am using so hyphen x. Now same command. Now I am using C here. Same command. Hyphen use xv zf. Whatever you want, we can. X means extract. V means verbose. Z whatever you want. And so what is the file name? What is the file name? xvzf also we can use. And my file name is, that's it. That's it. Now, before run this command, first check it. Before run this command, first check it. Clear the screen. CLS. Clear the screen. CLS. So only as of now I have tar file. Okay, that is the tar file. Now I am going to extract. Okay, tr hyphen xvzf. Okay,
XVF only, sir.
xvf. Okay, now file name demo.tar file. Now check it. ls command. Now you can see, where is that? Again path. Where is that folder? This is tar file. Mm, Source. It is coming or not?
Markanda, first delete those files, then only extract.
Okay, now it is over, right? Okay, now star. How to remove all files? rm. I want to remove all files. Rm space. mm, Remove the files. How to remove the files? Simple, right? Rm space. Mm,
File name,
Rm space.
file names.
Here I have multiple files. I want to delete. I want to remove only star.txt file.
Star.txt.
Star.txt. All files. Now got it. Now see here. అర్థమైందా? Only extension should be star txt and all. Now I don't have any txt file. Now use star space hyphen xv xz. Okay. Now file name demo dot tar file. Anything missing?
By XVF.
xvf.
No, no, no Z.
Mm. So now see here these many files extracted, and now check it. Now see here automatically it is come here, right? Same Windows how we are extracting, so that many ways we can extract. So this is the, if you want to, mostly we are using so this way. If you want to this command enough. If you want to compress, we can use so this and all. Now tar hyphen z we have and all. Now if you want to back up this and all, C means create, V means verbose, this and all create the tar file. All files. They are give star represents directories as well as all files as well. And so this is star jef unzip. We can use this way also, compress and decompress by using the bzip2, or we can use zip also. Now see here, to compress the tar file, I want to compress my tar file, we can use gzip. And so this way also we can use it. Uncompress means this is sometimes it won't support, just try it. So gzip g z gif, I want to compress demo dot tar file. So ls, what it is coming. Now see here. Now got it. So now it is a compressed file. This is the compressed file. So if you want to, we can create. So this is these are very simple only. Based on a requirement, we can check it. We can check it. Clear, guys? Anyone any doubt? Now, so interview they are asking. So mostly they are asking one command. So we'll see. Someone is join. Accepted. Okay. Now come to here. SCD command. SCD means stream. Go to here. Mostly interview they are asking this question. And SCD, SCD, SCD. I find I somewhere no. Uh, SCD. I know. Now see here. Find and replace. Most of the people. This is if you want to insert a specific file. This is very, very important. First we'll see how it will work. Where is SCD? SCD means stream editor. So this is also very, very important. Interview also many people ask this question. Okay. SCD means stream editor. So for example, so this is my file. Correct. So this is my file. Clear. Cat space dev.txt file. So in this file, I want to insert. I want to add particular line. So for example, third line. So they ask like this is the file. They want to insert the data only particular line. They want to insert the data particular line. They want to insert the data particular line. So how? Anyone any idea? So this is the file, right? Now if you want to modify, So we are using a vi space and dev.txt file. After opening, edit, and wherever you want to go to that particular line, I am adding here, right? I am adding here, correct? I am adding, so here, whatever you want, so we can add here, clear? So this is one, this is offer, if you open edit mode, escape, how to save the file, WQ, save and quit the file. Now that is updated. That is, so that is updated. So dev.txt, sorry, dev.txt. Okay, now see here updated. Now in this file, I want to add, so particular line some data. So if you want to add, so this is a question mostly they asked. So we need to use scd, and we need to use line number. Which line number you want to add? For example, I want to add, so fourth line. Okay, fourth line, and so whatever data you want to add. For example, here I am adding, here I am adding Linux. Linux is not available, right? File name dev.txt. Now as of now, so is there any Linux here? No, right? I am going to add. So in this particular line, say here we need to give first line number, and so insert. I want to add some content, and what is the file name? Now check it here how it will work. SCD, and so I want to add fourth line number, and I want to add, for example, I am going to add, uh, Sai April is okay. Now I am using, so any name, any string. This is a string, and so file name dev.txt. Now see here where it is added. Now got it. Which line I mentioned? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it. So mostly interview they asked this question. They want to insert, but this is not permanently cat space. Check it. Cat space dev.txt. Now see here, do we have permanently in this file? No, right? Just I run this command, whether it is added or not. See here, it is added, but actually it is updated in original file. Output మీకు display చేసింది. Okay, the particular line, this is the, like this it will add. But is it updated permanently in the file? File lo చూడండి. This is the original file, right? Now do we have that content?
No.
No. Now they ask next question. So is it update permanently in the file? Is it update file, or we can see only output purpose? I see output how it will work. Okay, now okay, this is the output, like this it will come. Now I want to add this file. Now what is you need to pass?
Same type of line.
I, yeah. Okay, I means insert, right? Hyphen I, and so 4, what is that? And
28
dot
minutes.
ss. Now see here, cat space, and so dev.txt, dev.txt. Now got it. Next question they asked. I don't want, I want to update in the file. If you use like this, it won't update. If you use this command, it won't update. We can see that output, how it look like, how it will come. No, so they want to add in the file. They want to add in the file. So that case we need to use hyphen I. So what is the hyphen I? Now if you want to, we can check. So this is help only whatever arguments you want. Just to go and check it. I means, so in place. See here, edit file in the place. Edit the file and particular place. Just add it. So that is the, so edit file in the place. Edit file in the particular place. I want to add my file particular place. That case we can use hyphen I. Now one more next question. So this is also most of the people they asked. They want to find text and replace it. You know, right? Windows, we are using find and replace. How it will work? Find and replace.
Control H, sir.
Control H, right? But in Linux, how I can add? I am using something whatever you want. This is the file name, file.txt. So okay, edit the file and add the particular path. See here, that is now Windows Control H, right? Now this is my file name, dev.txt. I want to, wherever, for example, Pati is available, I want to change some name, or I want to Sai, right? This is the, I want to find this name and I want to replace. Simply, if you want to understand, find and replace. So for find and replace also we are using sed command. So this is editor. There is two. If you want to print display specific line multiple times, so we can use p means print. So we can use these are same only. See here, SCD. First we'll see some basics. If you want to print, see here, MP data to P. So here means, so here print. I want to only second line. I don't want to P. P means print, and so dev.txt. Sorry, not second. What? Which one? Display specific line multiple times. That means two times. Now see here, second line two times it will print. See here, now got it. For example, I want to print so this line two times, which is line number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So two times. Pre means print two times, and so this is the line number to a second 8, right? 8. Now see here, like this. These are simple only. Now come to here, display only specific line. So specific line means hyphen n. Specific line means hyphen n. I don't want all. I want to print only specific line. SCD hyphen n. SCD hyphen n. And so next, what is this line number? I want to line number 4p and file name dev.txt. Specific line only. So fourth line, what is the line? This is or else cat space courses.txt. Now see here, SCD hyphen n, and so I want to print fourth line only, fourth record. That is means third record here. Third means fourth. Okay, and so courses.txt. Now see here. So this is first, two, second, third. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here serial number first line headings available, right? Now here fourth means third record. Now got it? Anyone any doubt here? Clear? This is the hyphen n. Particular hyphen n means it will print only that particular line, and now display last line. This is the dollar $p. This is the dollar last. If you want to print multiple lines also we can use 2 comma 4. I want to print up to 2 comma 4. I want to print up to 2 comma 2 comma 4, 2 comma 4. Now see here, second to 4. This is the first, this is the second line, fourth line, second, third, fourth. So 2 to 4. If you want to only 2 to 6. Suppose if file is very large, so that case we are using all these things. Okay, clear guys? Clear guys? Anyone any doubt? Hello? Multiple lines. Who can give? This and all format. Now display only specific independent lines. I want to print only that line. We can use like this also. Except except means we can use this is this is right. I don't want second line. Remaining and all I want to print same only. So here I given fourth line. Except fourth line I want to print all. So except fourth line I want to print all. So that case this is the explanatory mark. This is the explanatory mark. That case we can use this one. So if you don't want range and all we can use, and here I'll display all lines having specific word. This is the search. Now see here, I want to, this is also very important. Interview also people are asking, display all lines having specific word. Wherever word, wherever, so now this is my file, just assume. This is my write grep command. Write grep command. So cat space courses.txt. Write grep command. For example, if I give grep space, I am using Java or I'm using so for example 180, that is the file name course data. Now see here, it will display, right, only that lines. Now it is see here red also we can highlight. Same way I want to display all lines having specific word. So now I want to print that line symbol scd -n. I want to print which one I want to search, which is duplicate here, anything duplicate. For example, I am giving Java. I am giving so this is the syntax. This is the syntax. This is the syntax. Okay, slash Java slash p and file. Now see here, I want to print only that matched line. Java is matched this line only. It is printing only that one. For example, I am giving I want to print that all lines. I am giving 30,000. I am giving 30,000. How many lines matched? 30. How many lines matched? Here. This is a file, right? This is my file name. How many lines matched? This is second, correct? And also third. It will print so it will print 2 lines. Clear, guys? Anyone any doubt here? So if you want to print only in real time, how I am using, right? So for example, I have log file, server logs. So there's some build fail, something fail. I want to check only error lines. I want to check only error lines. So that case I am using like this. I want to print only error related information. So this is the error related information. So if I give means so log file means we have many lines, right? Log file means we have many lines. I don't want all log file. I want to see only where is error error string available. I want to read that lines only. So this is the very useful. Clear, guys? Anyone any doubt here? I hope you understand, right? Clear. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
So mostly in log, we are checking logs, right? Server logs, log files. If any fail, build fail, if something goes wrong. So that case, every server we have log files. But log files info information available, warning information available, warning, and also error. It will print in file this many information. These are some common things only. Error means failed lines, where what is the problem, which line it is failed. I want to search. So that case this is very useful. So scd -n line numbers. I want to only matched where which line error word is available, which line error string is visible already available. I want to print only that lines. I want to print only that lines. So that case we should go for this is very important. Anyone any doubt? So just note it. So if you want to in real time, mostly we are using this way only. I have, for example, I have one file. There is thousands lines available. We cannot go and search each and every line, right? Where is error? Where is error like that? That is time waste. Now we know, right? scd space -n and which error? Where is error? That lines only I want to print. This is simple. Clear? Now in this section there is mostly in a delete particular line. If you want to delete and all this and all range, how to delete d, that is the delete range of lines. If you want to $d, this and all very simple only. Now this is very important. Replace data present in the file. So find and replace, find and replace, you know, right? You are in Windows, we are using control H. Same way, so this is my file. So this is my file. Now I want to replace some content. cat space cat space courses.txt. This is my file. I want to find Java. I want to replace it by some other name. Or I want to find Python. I want to replace it by something. So this is a command. How we can find and replace? This is a syntax. scd space slash s means here substitute, and I want to find original string. For example, Python, and so replaced string, replaced. I want to replace it by so C language slash G. G means globally all entire file space and file name course or dot txt. Now got it. Now see here, this is my file. So now Python available here. It is finding this word and it is replaced by which? Replaced by which one? This one. For example, I want to replace a Docker. Okay, I want to replace it. Find Python word. Python is a string here. It is searching this word. It is matched or not? Yes, matched. And I want to replace it. Which one? Docker. Now check it. Clear. So this is very important. Enter purpose. Most of the people they ask this question also. So if you want to find and replace, if you want to find and replace particular string, so this is the command. This is the command. Suppose if you remove G means only first occurrence. File means maybe many areas it may be matched, right? Many areas it may be matched. Got it? Simple. If you want to understand, if you come to here, if you open any file, if I open any file, not here. This is the PM files. Fine. What is this? I don't know. Just check it. This is also not available. Go to where HPM. Now see here Control H. If you use Control H, now see here. This is find what? I want to find include. I want to find include. INCLUDE. I want to find include. Replace it with. Okay. Exclude. Now here there is some options, right? Here replace all means that here Linux G means all matched file anywhere. For example, 10 times matched means 10 times replace one. So 100 times means 100 times. If you remove G means only first occurrence only first occurrence. If you means replace means whichever first means it will replace only first occurrence. So that is the meaning. Okay, G means so globally. See here, so use the option S means here substitute and G means globally wherever you want. So it replace all occurrence of the so that wherever the display the content. So this is the very important. Just note it. And so here options G means global every occurrences. Every means 100 times means 100 times it will replace. 10 times matched means 10 times it will replace. Only one time matched means one times it will replace. That's it. So without G means only first occurrence. If you are not giving, if I remove G means only first occurrence it is replaced and remaining and all it won't replace. Remaining and all it won't replace. Okay, that's it. And so Fairphone replace the ignore case. Ignore case means you know right hyphen I means ignore case. If you want to I means ignore case also. And it replaced blank lines. That is this and all remaining same only. These are the extra things. If we have any blank lines, if we have any blank lines, and so that case we can use so this is the command. Now last time they asked one interview question. This is a question means they want to find only empty files. Empty file means now, if you go to here, check it. One guy asked. Now, I created one file, touch space. I created, for example, see here, prod dot so txt, prod dot txt. So, do we have any content here? Hello, అర్థమవుతుందా? I created one file, touch command. Do we have any content in
No,
the
sir.
file? No, right? This is the empty file or not? I don't have anything. Now here question is How to find only empty files? What they want? They want to display only which files? Now cat space so dev.txt.
Empty files.
This is empty or not? ఈ ఫైల్ empty కాదా?
Not
No,
empty, sir.
not empty. Now if you use cat space prod dot txt, now this is empty or not? Empty only, right? I don't have any
Yes.
data, so they want to find these files. Just try it, and else tomorrow I will show you. Okay, this is the they asked. So they have many files. People are created many empty files. They don't want. First they want to see empty files. Again they want to remove that files only. Question అర్థమైందా? So real time many people working here, right?
Find dot.
So real time means many people working same server, right? Many people they created empty files, and what they want, so first they want to display only empty files, and later they want to remove that empty files. That is the question, and answer మీరు మీరు try చేయండి. If not, so we'll see next class. Okay, now that is the question.
Find dot hyphen hyphen empty sir.
Find, what
Command.
is the find dot hyphen hyphen
Hyphen hyphen
hyphen
empty.
hyphen empty or only empty?
Hyphen hyphen empty.
Hyphen 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 empty hyphen hyphen empty. Next, what we need to pass?
Find
Find
dot.
current dot represents
All files.
current directory, current working directory. Unknown. Okay, try it. Okay, if not find, so we'll see.
Hyphen empty ఒకసారి.
Hyphen
Single hyphen empty ఒకసారి.
single hyphen empty. Yeah, now got it. Clear. This all are empty or not? First check it. Okay, so where is my file course here available or not? కోర్స్ అనే ఫైల్ ఉందా ఇక్కడ ఈ లిస్ట్ లో? కోర్స్ నో, రైట్? నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ అనే ఫైల్ ఉంది ఈ లిస్ట్ లో. జస్ట్ చెక్ చేసుకోండి వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అవైలబుల్ ఆర్ నాట్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద కమాండ్? సో ఫైండ్ స్పేస్ డాట్ రిప్రజెంట్స్ హియర్ కరెంట్ వర్కింగ్ డైరెక్టరీ hyphen empty. So they want to display only empty files. Whether I don't know these all are empty or not, just cross verify and check it. Now what is our so command here? What we need to do? Find and replace. Okay, done. That is okay, done. That is okay. Okay, this is okay. So that's it. This and all very simple only. Just try it. Clear? Just try it. Now we'll see one more command. Now clear guys, scd command. Anyone any doubt? Anyone any doubt here? Now this is find dot hyphen empty. Empty. It will display only empty files. Now what intro mostly they are this and all already you know, right? Uname command. Uname mostly they are asking, and du command already know. Df command you know. Top command, pre command. So already we discussed. Now we'll see few more commands. I will see few more commands. Now so there is m already know. M install package name. M install package name. Any package you want to we can use. Now there is one more command. Which one we can use? Package service command.
Yes.
Service ps command or service command. So service means for example I installed m install. So m install, I install some git or something, anything. I want to check whether that service is running or not. So service means in here there is many services running, correct? In Windows or Linux or anything. So mostly it is running many services. So I want to check whether that particular service is running or not. I want to check the status. So this is a command. There is two ways we can use service space. Before that, I'm going to install one server, any one server. Which server? Simple server. HTTPD already available. Just check it. So service, service, and so HTTPD. If you know, okay. If you don't know, leave it. I want to just check the status only. HTTPD not available. Okay. First install this service server, HTTPD server, or we can install Nginx server. These are simple servers only. Anyway, coming classes we will discuss. For the time being, I want to show that's it. So yum install. How to install any package, any software? What are the commands?
apt instance. This is
Two ways,
Ubuntu.
right? Here apt, or we can use yum command. So that's it. Now I'm coming to here apt install. I want to install one server httpd -y. I don't want to ask console. Could not find. Permission denied. Permission means what I need to add. Permission. So I am the regular user. My user that I don't have any permission. If you want to see permission
So I
denied,
can
sudo. What you need to add? Sudo password. Okay. Now package HTTPD no installation candidate select to install. మనం ఇచ్చిన ప్యాకేజ్ ఇక్కడ లేదంట.
Here Apache 2.
అపాచీ 2 ఓకే అపాచీ 2 అపాచీ 2 వేర్ ఇస్ దట్ నేమ్ దిస్ వన్
Yes.
ఓకే అపాచీ 2 -y ఓకే సో now see here if that package that particular package not available automatically it will display error message or it will give some suggestions and all and based on this just we can check it. So mostly if you want to check service and all two ways we can use we can use system ctl and we can use or we can use service command also. Both are same only. There is some difference available is there. We'll see later. Service command. Okay, we can use anyone. So service, but syntax it will change slightly. If you use system ctl and so service name Apache 2 and we can use a status or we can use start or we can use stop or we can use restart. Whatever you want, we can. That is your wish. Okay. And the same way, if you use service command, command is reverse. Service and start or restart or stop, and we need to use so Apache to
You are writing reverse order.
reverse
Reverse.
systemctl.
system serial status Apache.
Okay, I confusing here. I am also confused. Systemctl status.
After that, that resource name. Last,
Apache
last.
Apache
Yeah.
2 correct Apache
Yes.
2 here first name next
Yeah.
correct. This is bit confusion. I am also sometimes confusion. Service Apache 2 Apache 2 that's it. So this also mostly real time we are using so anyone command that is if you want to check any service whether it is running or whether it is stopped, if you want to restart, mostly real time we are restarting some servers, right? So anyway, coming classes we will get more on this. So for the time being just I am showing so these are the one command systemctl one command or we can use a service command. Anyway, just now I installed one server Apache 2 server. I want to check whether it is running or not. So how to check real time also we are using same commands only, nothing. What is the command? So if you are using service command, this is the way. If you are using systemctl, this is the way. I am using service command. Okay, service and service command and Apache to I want to check the status whether it is running or not. Now see here, this server is running or not. Clear, guys?
Yes, run.
So it is running. Suppose if you want to stop this service, I don't want, I want to stop this server. So what is the command? Service name, and here we can use stop, restart, whatever. I don't
Apache
want
to
stop,
stop.
stop. That's it. Now see here, fail to stop, interactive authentication required, system loss, systemctl. So here we are unable to stop. Okay, I'm using systemctl. I need to enable. So this is the command. Now we'll try systemctl stop Apache 2. Now we need to enable first. How to enable any service? Systemctl enable
Sudo use.
The sudo missing, that's
sudo
the
leda.
problem.
Where is it is saying sudo permission? Okay, interactive. Okay, let me try sudo. Service stop, right? Sudo. Done. Now check the status. Now it is stopped or not. That's it. Now see here. Now inactive. Now inactive. So whether we can use service command or we can use the systemctl command. So one is bootable time. If you use systemctl command, that is bootable time, it will activate. Service command, whenever if we need, we can stop, we can start that service. Anyway, coming class it will come. Just I am showing only commands only here. So that is the systemctl and service command. Systemctl and service command. And mostly in interview they are asking one more question. Uh, Net state command, how to check only running port numbers. Net state command in Linux. So this is also net state. Okay, the net state command is like a special tool Linux that helps to understand and checking things about how your computer connect or internet and what are the port numbers it is running. Stand for network statistics. This is if you want to see that port numbers and all. So that case we can use a net state command, and so here also we can pass some arguments. This is the information, network related information, and diagnostics various network issues. So this is also one command last time they asked. What is this? Net state, sta state. Okay, and here we can pass arguments. Anyway, here it won't available. We need to install. So if I use a net state, it won't work any. It is available net state, and I need to pass some arguments. TNLF net state TNLP. I'm giving something.
UNLP.
NLP TNLP. Okay, anyway, I given some numbers. Now see here TCP only. See here, this is network related information and port number. First I'm start Apache server. Already stopped, right? I'm started. START start. Okay, now use netstate command TNLF. See here, this is the 80. It is running 80 port number. For example, if Jenkins server is running, we can see that port number. Tomcat server running, we can see that port number, TCP name, and so that is the IP addresses. And we can see what are the port number it is running. It is running one port number running 44691, and this is running 8080, and we can track here. Enter mostly they ask this question also, net state command. So net state means this is mostly, right, a network related information, we can check it. And so that case we can pass many things. Hyphen all, a means all, so both listening and non-listening port numbers and all, and TCP port using nested command. There is many ways we can check it. Just note it, this is also important. And also last time they asked what is that command? Dig command, correct? Dig, dig command. Dig means if you want to get DNS information. So that case we can use so dig command. Even I don't know, dig dig in Linux command in Linux. Now see here, dig command stands for domain information. I want to know my domain information, and so that case we can use dig command, and it is giving so retrieving information about your DNS name server. If you want to get about your DNS domain name server, and so that case we are using, these are the network related commands, guys. But interview they asked, just I am giving that list, what are the commands they touched. Dig. So now check it here, dig dig dig, and we need to pass anything. First see here, 10.22 it is timed out, communication error.
No, try to pass one
Arguments.
domain name, google.com.
Okay, I'm giving dig space google.com. Now see here, we'll get some information, right? See, google.com, what is showing google.com. This is the domain, this is the IP, and so server IP, how UDP. We can get some, this is total related to so network command. DNS information will get it. DNS information, so we can get it. DNS information we can get it. So this is the dig command. Dig. So now almost anything we missed, any commands? I think mostly we cover. Start, stop, next tar already we know. PS command, right? PS command, what is PS command? PS. So this is also mostly we are using. PS means PS command. PS command.
Process status.
Process status. So now Windows, right? So taskbar. This is a taskbar, right? If you click on taskbar, here it is running some process. These are the running process. So see here, what is the CPU? How what are the running process? Same way in Linux, if you want to check it, this is the one command PS. So if you use PS command, so by default it will come PID, process ID, and time and all. And here we need to pass some more things. PS hyphen EF. PS hyphen EF. Okay. So now see here, this is the user ID and PID, and what is the PID number, and so start time. See here, and my user I logged in, right? Here also we can see. So my user, root user, and what is the process ID and where it is running. So that information and all. For example, I want to kill a particular one processor. In Windows, if you want to click, select this one, and so select that particular process. If you don't want to select that particular process, and so just right click and end task. If you click on end task means this task will be closed. You understand? I hope Windows లో మనం mostly ఇది యూస్ చేస్తాం. సో సెలెక్ట్ ఎనీ వన్, సెలెక్ట్ దిస్ వన్ అండ్ రైట్ క్లిక్ ఎండ్ టాస్క్. ఇప్పుడు నాకు చూడు ఇక్కడ టర్మినల్ వర్కింగ్లో ఉందా? ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ దిస్ టర్మినల్, ఇట్ ఈస్ హ్యాంగ్ అయిపోయింది నాకు. ఐ వాంట్ టు స్టాప్, ఐ వాంట్ టు కిల్ దిస్ టర్మినల్. సి రైట్ క్లిక్ ఎండ్ టాస్క్. నౌ సీ హియర్ ద టర్మినల్ క్లోజ్డ్. అగైన్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ వీ కెన్ ఓపెన్ ఇట్. ubuntu ubuntu ubuntu, where is this? And same way in Linux we are using PS command. In Linux we are using PS and kill command. So this is PS hyphen EF. It will display all process and what is the process ID, PID, and what is the user, and we can see this right as command prompt also. Command prompt also we can see. Suppose if you want to kill a particular PID, this is the command kill, kill space, and so PID. For example, I want to kill this one. Anything 217, anything, just dynamically I am giving 217. And if you give what is this, any arguments missing, sudo password. So now see here, that killed, now that killed. So this is the same Windows, we are using GUI mode, Linux we are using CLI mode, that's it, CLI mode. Windows we are using GUI mode, here we are using CLI mode only. So apart from this everything same only. So apart from this everything same only. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt? Hello? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now free command already know, free and all we know, right? So already free command. Now mostly all commands now free command, you know. Now disk partition. I want to show the so device block information. So that case we can use one command. What is that command? Disk du, you know, df, you know. There is one more command lsblk. So if you use lsblk,
LSP.
lsblk, right? So this is also mostly no one is asked, just we are checking mostly lsblk, lsblk. Now see here, this is our partition, our partitions and all we can see disk partitions information we can check it. So lsblk, lsblk, it will display the so black device information, black device so information, so black device information. Now you know, right, free command already you know. So next top command also we discussed. Now there is this command also they asked enter. uh, what is that command? lsof, lsof, list of open files, list of open files, ls, ls in the document it is not available. lsof, lsof means what is the full form? What is the full form? lsof,
List of open files only.
list of open files, open files. I want to see the list of open files. So lsof. Now if you use see here, these are the list of open files. These are the list of open files in the session. If you want to we can if you want to we can give particular user also. If you want to use a particular user also, I don't want all list of open files, hyphen u user, and username we can give that particular username also we can give it. Now see here, my user, or we can use a Pati user, Pati user. So that case I don't have any open files, Pati user, and so I didn't log in, right? lsof hyphen u devapps, devapps Erica. All right. Cat space etc slash passwd. Now we can use any user, devapps, no open files, and Pati user, dev user. Mostly I'm logging my user, right? So my user we can see many files, list of open files. Just remember, list of open files, lsof means ls you know already command. So ls command you know. So lsof, list of open files. What are the files open? That and all we can see here. So that and all we can see here. So these are the mostly interval also they are touching, and just try to practice. And so apart from this they won't ask anything. Almost all we cover, whatever they touched in interview, that commands and all we cover. Okay, so that's it, Linux, some basics Linux. And so this whatever we discussed as of now, this is enough for you interview purpose.